Today's video is about physical and chemical changes. Matter undergoes a change when subjected to energy change. The change in matter can be classified as physical or chemical change. So what is a physical change and a chemical change? So the difference it's given here. Nature of change. So in physical change it is temporary and reversible change. Whereas in chemical change it's permanent and irreversible. Water changing to ice back to water. So this is a reversible change. Chemical change, lead dioxide on heating changes to lead monoxide. So new substance is formed. The evolution of oxygen. So oxygen gas is given out. Formation of products. No new substance are formed. Whereas in chemical change, new substance are formed. Water on freezing changes to ice, and back on ice or melting it changes to water. So no new substance are formed. Lead dioxide on heating, new substance. Lead monoxide, new substance is formed with the evolution of oxygen gas. Energy change, generally energy is neither absorbed nor evolved during this physical change. Whereas in chemical change, generally energy is absorbed or evolved during the change. Water changing to ice, no energy is evolved here or no energy is absorbed. Whereas on burning a magnesium wire, it gives light and light energy is evolved here. Melting of wax is also a physical change. Just on cooling, get back the wax. The same molten wax solidifies and the wax is obtained. Whereas on burning a candle, on burning carbon dioxide and water vapor is given out. So this is a chemical change. To a beaker, salt is added and it is mixed and it is kept. Salt solution is formed. So this is a physical change. On boiling, you can get back the salt. So water evaporates and you will be getting. So in chemical change, milk changing to curd. So on curdling, a little bit of milk, curd to milk changes to curd, and it cannot be, new substance is formed. Of salt to water, it is a physical change. It's a temporary reversible change. Unripe mango changing to a ripe mango is a chemical change because a new substance, new with a different taste it is obtained. So it is a chemical change. Of water is a physical change because on collecting the vapors, again it condenses back and you get the water. So it is a physical change. Whereas addition of dilute acid to magnesium, new substance is formed. So magnesium reacts with the acid to form magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas is given out. So it's a permanent and irreversible change. Recombination of seed is an example for chemical change. The seedling grows into a new plant. A plant growing into a tree is also a chemical change. Digestion of food is a chemical change. So what the food we eat is different from the digested one. A new iron nail on exposed to atmosphere starts rusting, and this rusted nail is different from the new nail. So it's a chemical change because new substance are formed. Sublimation. Sublimation is a process by which certain solid substance on heating directly change into vapor state without undergoing the liquid phase. That is examples: ammonium chloride, iodine, naphthalene. These are some substance examples for sublimation. The substance is said to sublime and the process is known as sublimation. The diagram for sublimation. So you are taking a evaporating dish here, this one. Inside this you are keeping ammonium chloride and a funnel is set up to cover the ammonium chloride and cotton is plugged. So here it is closed. So on heating this setup, what happens is that ammonium chloride vaporizes and get condensed here. So the vapors directly, doesn't melt, directly changes to vapor and it gets collected here. Since compared to the temperature here, this end of the funnel, it's cooler. So the vapors condense here and again you get the ammonium chloride get condensed. The vapors get condensed and you get the solid again back. Doesn't go to the liquid phase.